Tabler Harish Shenoy is an industrialist and builder. He is the CEO Dia Infratech Private Limited and Managing Director of Bliss Advertising. He has traveled across the globe and believes that the fortunate few should always be of some use to the society and help the less fortunate. His positive and never say no attitude with the highest level of commitment in whatever he does has brought him to great levels in his career. Tabler Harish Shenoy is one of the youngest presidents of Roundtable India. He has served Roundtable as National Secretary Treasurer, National Vice President, and currently heads the country as National President. He is a trustee of the Roundtable India Trust and of the Roundtable India Foundation. He has represented India at various world meets of Roundtable International. Roundtable India has built 4,650 classrooms in the last 10 years, worth rupees 125 crores. Ladies and gentlemen, Rotary South Asia Literacy Summit proudly presents, and so please welcome Tabler Harish Shenoy.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Rotarians, hands, Annettes, all the dignitaries on and off the dais. Warm greetings to you all on behalf of Roundtable India. I take this opportunity to present to you a small presentation on Freedom Through Education. Freedom Through Education happens to be a long-term national project of Roundtable India. Roundtable India is a service organization of like-minded young men in the age group of 18 to 40. Started in 1962 in India. We are present in 90 cities across the country with 210 chapters. Our primary focus is freedom through education. As Professor Amartya Sena said, to build a country, build a school. Under Freedom Through Education is a contribution to our nation. Under Freedom Through Education, we have built 1,694 schools, 4,623 classrooms with a total outlay of 125 crores, which is impacting 5.1 million children across the country. On an average, I can proudly say Roundtable India is building one classroom every day since last 10 years. I would like to showcase a few stories that made big impact. This is the Gujarat earthquake in which Roundtable India built 20 schools in Kutch with a total outlay of 80 lakhs. This is at the NGO tsunami affected areas. We built 126 schools with an outlay of 25 crores. This is at the Orissa cyclone affected area. This is a big step to Roundtable India. Roundtable India Freedom Through Education takes a big leap under the partnership of Procter & Gamble Shiksha campaign. Roundtable India is the NGO partner for Procter & Gamble Shiksha. Here we decided quality infrastructure for a holistic education, and we thought schools for underprivileged need not be underprivileged. So this is the school which we built in Calcutta recently. This is at par with any private institution with high-class amenities. This is the one which we built in Pune. This one in Vizag. And this at Haryana. And this is the school which we built. The photo above shows how the school was and how the school is now. This is the recent school which we built in Bangalore, a 5 classroom built at a government high school in Karnataka. This is again in Karnataka. This is the one which we have recently built in Delhi, BK International School. These are the examples of the amenities provided. Apart from building the school, we have provided water facilities, sanitation, toilet blocks, playgrounds, computer donations, science lab. So we have brand ambassadors supporting Roundtable India in each state. This is of Karnataka, Puneet Rajkumar, who endorses the freedom to education. Here they highlight on the importance of education, which matters, which change the lives of the underprivileged children. This is in Tamil Nadu, Arvind Swamy. This is the Naren Karthikeyan, who again happens to be the brand ambassador of Tamil Nadu for Roundtable India. Dr. Abdul Kalam, then President of Roundtable India, endorsed one of our event in Chennai. Our principal donors being Procter & Gamble, Roundtable India Foundation, Infinity Foundation, and other NGO partners like Roundtable Netherlands, Roundtable Great Britain Ireland, and New Business School of Amsterdam. As on date, Procter & Gamble has donated 12 crores to Roundtable India under this Freedom to Education scheme, whereas Roundtable India is contributed 30 crores more, and we have done projects worth 46 crores. These are the few projects done by Roundtable. And here at this point, I would like to highlight a few things. Roundtable is associated, under Freedom to Education, Roundtable is associated with Rotary in many parts. We have done projects in Sivakasi, we have done projects in Karnataka, we have done projects in Delhi in association with Rotary. These are the few projects done by Roundtable India with Rotary. And the uniqueness is we are a zero overhead organization. Every rupee raised directly goes into community service activities. Our entire administrative expenses is borne by the members of our association. And our partnership is also unique. It's like every rupee raised, we match with Roundtable India, and our CSR partners equally or higher by raising funds from other sources. Our reach is, we have 210 tables spread across 19 cities in 19 states, which assures the impact across the length and breadth of our country. This is a scale and delivery impact. Roundtable India has over the last decade achieved a growth of about 24%. Going by the current numbers, it is projected by the end of 2020, Roundtable India would complete more than 7,000 classrooms and impacting more than 45 lakh children. Our expertise being Roundtable India is the experience and credibility of building more than 4,600 classrooms for the underprivileged children. So as I said, one classroom a day for the last 10 years. And being a zero overhead model, coupled with its scale, resources, experience, and talented resources in its members, and their own professional experience, will take your contribution to the farthest height. We decided it will be a great day when education gets all the money it wants and the force has to hold a fundraiser to buy guns. So with this, I end my presentation, and I would like to mention here that Roundtable India would be more than happy to associate with Rotary in any of the infrastructure building projects which Rotary plans for. And on behalf of Roundtable India, I wish Rotary the very best for the mission Teach, and thank you so much.